लगता है
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Daksh. Daksh, you were not there in the previous class?
Ma'am, it was all because of the Wi-Fi.
Okay.
And ma'am, 2-3 days back, my phone was badly hurt.
Oh my God. Who? From
It fell
whom?
from the bed.
What happened to your phone?
Ma'am, it fell off from the bed, and if I would say good morning, ma'am, and you cannot listen it because of the speaker or the mic,
Maybe
you
got
don't
must have got
understand
down.
what. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, okay. So we are continuing with the worksheet, right? Let me share it now. Children, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You need to do these question answers up till question 54. Right?
Flowchart.
Ma'am, all the MCQs are there, no?
These are all one word answers, 1 mark answers.
Flowchart.
Flowchart also I'll give you, don't worry. Flowchart you will get, don't worry. Right?
We have to write question also.
No, only answers you write. But specify the question number correctly.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, till which question do we need to attempt the worksheet?
54. Till question number 54. I have checked all these questions. They are just 1 mark questions. Right?
Starting from 42.
No.
Ma'am, from the first question, sir.
From the first question. Some are missing only. Class, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. I think some students are in the waiting room. Let me tell you, wait. I think this is class 9th. Harsh Tomar is of our class. See, CBSE has made a big announcement. CBSE has said that from the new session, from this session, you'll be getting competency-based questions, 30% of competency-based questions in each subject.
Yes, ma'am. Logical questions.
And then objective
Yes,
questions.
ma'am.
Based on for competition, वो आपके जो लॉजिकल क्वेश्चंस होते हैं भाई, केस स्टडी बेस्ड होते हैं या वैल्यू बेस्ड होते हैं या हॉट्स जो होते हैं.
Ma'am, the rectification will work in this.
No rectification is required here. No rectification.
Yes, ma'am.
General questions, general. MCQs होंगे, केस बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस होंगे, सोर्स बेस्ड इंटीग्रेटेड क्वेश्चंस होंगे. But this is good.
So, ma'am, in UT also 30% will be the same. Ma'am, in UT also the 30% will be same.
In all the subjects.
Ma'am, in UT UT में भी वही same pattern follow करेगा.
Obviously, CBSE has not released yet the sample paper that how they'll be giving those questions. But once they release it, we'll also incorporate those questions in your revisions or the class test or the worksheets that we'll be giving you.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta done? Class?
No, ma'am, we are doing.
How much done?
Just a minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am on 26th.
I'm 20.
Okay.
I'm 22.
Beta done. Beta done.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Shall we discuss?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
No, ma'am.
No. Nana is a very slow writer, Nana. This is not done.
No, ma'am. We are like we are thinking also. No.
Okay.
I'm on 35th one.
Okay.
And I have not done the whole sheet.
Why? Kanika?
Me too.
I'm doing.
कर लो बेटा, काम आएगा और तो क्या है. इससे ज़्यादा तो I cannot say anything. Right? Do you know what is special for today?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
national something day.
Today, Gram
Panchayat
Panchayat. Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Panchayati Divas.
National?
Panchayat.
Panchayat Day.
I'm sorry, your status.
हाँ, exactly. What is this Panchayati Raj? I think in chapter 2
Your status is very beneficial.
is very
Beneficial.
actually. See why I shared it, no? Because we chapter 2 we read about Panchayati Raj in civics, right? And recently we were over like in UP, we were over, especially Bareilly. We had these Gram Panchayat elections, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Haan,
Yes, ma'am.
exactly. Do you know who was behind the making of this Panchayati Raj? Who took the initiative to have government in the rural areas as well? Do you know? Huh?
B.R. Ambedkar.
No.
Ma'am, one thing.
Ma'am, don't know.
See, initially it was Mahatma Gandhi who, wanted that there should be rural form of government also. Because he also felt that, the problems that the local people are facing, that can be better resolved by the locals only. Like central government, state government, of course they are working, they are administering, but still he felt that, at the local level, if we have, local people in the local government, that will give a boost to the problem solving by the government. See, when I talk of the history, we all know that because of the high population in large areas that we have, the highest post in the state is unable to get the ground reality of the problems faced by the people of rural areas. Like I always give you this example, no? Your classroom, your problems, you people can better understand and you people can better relate to those problems than the principal or the director, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that way the government felt uh, whatever the requirements are, whatever the problems these people face at the rural and at the urban level, at the local at the root level. So that way they felt that it is better to decentralize the powers of the democracy. So that decentralization happened in which year? In which year it happened? The constitutional amendment that came into being? Class? 1992.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, we have no idea about this topic.
Chalo, let us not discuss now then. When we'll have the civics class, we'll discuss it then, right?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
If you people have done, shall we discuss?
Ma'am, just few questions are left.
Okay, fine,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Fine.
I'm only 5.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, then we can start with the discussion.
Okay, fine. Last question.
Ma'am,
we
done.
54th. Match the following. Nana will tell. Nana, tell. Nana?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, this I have left.
Okay, this is not done.
I can tell the 53.
No, no, 54th one. Pavni, have you done?
May I tell?
Ma'am.
Yes, beta, tell.
Ma'am, for the French Revolution, it is the fourth option.
Yes, transfer of sovereignty from monarch to the French citizens. Very good. Liberalism.
Ma'am, B is individual freedom and equality before law.
Exactly. Then Napoleonic Code.
Ma'am, Napoleonic Code is this, the second one.
Ensured right to property for the privileged class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Treaty of Vienna.
Ma'am, this I'm not sure.
Treaty of Vienna.
Ma'am, maybe the One.
Yes, it is the first one. Brought the conservative regime.
First one.
First one. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Treaty of Constantinople. Nepal. It was recognized Greece as independent.
Greece as an independent nation.
Okay, 53. Plebiscite.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
May I?
And Nena.
Ma'am, plebiscite is a direct vote by which all the citizens of a region are asked to accept or reject a proposal.
ठीक है. Concept of nation state.
May I?
Yes.
The concept of nation state was where the rulers and citizens came to a common understanding and shared the same past.
Share the same past. ठीक है. Define nation.
A group of people sharing same history and past culture.
हाँ ठीक है. What is referred to as absolutism?
Ma'am, it is referred to a monarchical government.
Gargi is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बताओ, what is absolutism?
Ma'am, a government or a system of the rule that has no restraints of the power exercised on the people.
ठीक
Is
है.
actually the monarchical form of the government.
ठीक है. ठीक. Manish, are you there?
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I?
हाँ कनिका, चलो बताओ.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
France.
Okay, it is France. Very good.
France.
Next.
Ma'am, true. 48 true.
Read the statement. Question number 50. The 46 we are doing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The term absolutist referred to monarchical government. It is true. Question number 45. Jigyasa, are you there? अरे भाई बिटिया, जिग्स कहाँ गई आप?
Ma'am, may I?